So, you want to start a YouTube channel? Hey, you're in the right place. Take it from the pro that has been doing it for 6 years and gathered millions of views. Well, maybe I'm not quite there yet, but a man can have dreams, right? Okay, let's get down to business, but first, roll the intro. Yeah, it's my first video. I don't have an intro yet, but it's coming. Hopefully. Where was I? Oh yeah, how to start your YouTube channel. The answer is pretty simple, but we need to cover some things first. Let's go outside, because that's what YouTubers do. Yeah, I know I'm dragging this out, but you're still here. Thanks. You're probably just like me, who has been binge watching their favorite creators each day and having an occasional thought of how cool it would be to have your own YouTube channel. A place where you can share your ideas, express yourself, and in addition make a living out of this. Well, it does sound like a pretty good deal. As you probably figured from the title, this is my first video and hopefully a start of my own journey. Well, technically it's not the first video on my YouTube channel, as I've been uploading before, but those videos were just, for family and friends, and I didn't have any intentions of making it serious or regular. With this video, I'm actually taking things a little more seriously, but still making sure it's fun and games along the way. Okay, but enough about me. We established that it looks fun, you want to do it. I mean, obviously you clicked on this video. So what's stopping you? I asked this question myself actually, and I always found a million reasons why not to do it. The weather is bad, I missed the golden hour, I'm not interesting enough, and so on and so on. But this mindset is actually very toxic. Like, first things first, you need to get rid of it, get rid of any reason that might stop you, and go out and start filming. As you can see, that's what I'm doing with my first video, trying things out. But the question still remains, what do you need in order to start? Before moving on, I would like to do some cool transitions and sequences. I mean, I've seen them on YouTube, so I guess that's what people do. Anyways, I'm just improvising as I go. It's my first video, and let's go out and experiment. Okay, here's what you need. A camera, video niche, what is your video about? Is it the book reviews? Is it tutorials? Is it gaming channel? And your channel name. That's it. That's all the things you need to worry at the start. Don't worry about the views just yet. Make videos you enjoy watching yourself. Once you have your first video out, you can start improving your sound design, your editing skills. How comfortable are you in front of the camera, but all of these things will come after you make your first video. You need to put yourself on the right mindset, which is one step closer to your goal. However, don't try to be perfectionist just yet. I mean, it can drag things way too long, especially once you're starting out. Because at the moment, it's just an idea for you that you want to start. However, it can fade away very quickly, as we talked about before. You will create millions of reasons not to do it. And I mean, no one has made their first video perfect. Don't worry about that. Take a look at your favorite creators. I mean, find their first videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. So again, the goal is to start, which means getting your first video out. Okay, you're not gonna believe, but it just started snowing and it's so damn beautiful outside. I just had to take my camera out, and I guess we can just go outside for a couple of minutes and see what's out there. Looks good. I think winter's coming, huh? Look at all this snow. Like, I thought it's getting warmer and stuff, but it seems that winter's not giving up. Didn't even plan to film this footage, or I don't know what I'm gonna say, if I'm even gonna use this. But I don't know. I just had a feeling that I have to take my camera out and start filming. I mean, that's what I've been talking about for the in this video, that all you have to do is just take the camera and go out. Literally, it was a split-second decision. I just thought, damn, it looks nice outside. I'm gonna grab my camera and start something. I kind of need to get used to it. If I'm gonna do this, I've kind of need to get used to just instead of just planning for hours, just grab the camera, go outside, start filming. Feeling very energized after this like a 15 minutes walk or something like that. Pretty nice. It's pretty cool. Oh boy. Covered in snow. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna get a nice hot cup of tea once I get back. Okay, I'm like 60 seconds away. I can make it. Maybe putting some dramatic music right here, like drums and something like that. Whew. Here we are, back home. Okay, oh guys, so okay, that's it, I'm out. Okay, so that's basically it. We covered all the major points, and just remember, most people are always worried about the camera they need and the setup, and including myself, I was also worried about that stuff, but you only need the basics to just get started. I have probably the most basic setup ever. Probably the sound is not the best. The video quality probably could be better, but come on, I'm starting out. I'm using the basic setup, and that's what I'm going for. I mean, everybody starts from somewhere. So basically, as you can see, this is, as I've told you probably numerous times during this video, it is my first video. And I have no idea how many views it's gonna get. Is it gonna take off? What's gonna happen, and all of these things. If it does succeed to a certain degree, or my channel sort of starts growing, then this video could be a great lesson for you, that all you need is to get started and keep going. That's it. So yeah, these are just my 2 cents on this whole thing of how to start your YouTube channel. Probably the next main thing after you make your first video is not to give up, just keep going. Second video, third video, and so on and so on. So that's the plan for me. If you want to join my journey, then tag along by subscribing down below. And for you have to do one thing. Grab your smartphone, grab anything that's filmed, and start creating today. Even if it's like a couple of minutes, something like that, throw it to the edit. Play with it, you have to get into that kind of mindset. But yeah, that's it. That's it for me. I don't know how to end this. It's my first time. I think I keep rambling and talking for the last like 10 minutes or something like that. Okay, I hope I'll get better as I go, and I kind of find my way around this. But that's it. Now, go create. See you in the next one. Peace out. Woo!